Hell yeah, what's up, guys? It's Chris Pike. My friends call me Big C. Back in action today, I got something cool to show you. I want to show you how to create those cool faceless videos that are taking over your TikTok and your YouTube short timeline. Well, here they are, guys. They're super easy to do. I'm going to show you a tool that'll help you do it in like 2 minutes flat. Let's go. All right, so to get the ball rolling, all you got to do is go to Clipwise AI and then either sign up if you don't have an account, or if you got one, just click on create your first video. I have an account, although I think I'm signed out. Yes, I am. So I will log in with Google. It is free to sign up for, and it's also a free tool where insofar, or you get a couple of shots at get a couple of cracks at it before you have to be, given the option to pay or not pay. So there we go. Now you'll see here that I've created 2 versions already. So let's just listen to one of them right here.
Prepare to be amazed by the enigmatic Cleopatra.
Cleopatra.
A woman shrouded in mystery and intrigue.
Now this is interesting because it's a faceless video. It's literally non-technical whatsoever. You just have to type in what you want and you'll get it. And these are monetizable. So you can monetize these on YouTube. You can monetize these on TikTok, at least while the US is playing nice with TikTok and vice versa. And yeah, these are just pretty cool things to create. So here we go. We are logged in. First step in this prompt bar, type in what you want. 5 unique facts about, Emperor or Commodus. All right, let's go with that crazy Roman dude. All right, we're going to generate that, and then I'm just going to click generate. That's literally it. Now it gives us the second page here, and it says, here it is. We're getting 5 unique facts about him. We can set the tone, humorous, dark and intense, or informative. I'm going to go with dark and intense for this one because he was a pretty dark and intense guy. The visual theme, there's a whole bunch of different styles. I'm kind of, for this one, I'm going to go with dark intensity, but they got cinematic, they got 3D Pixar, comic styles, all kinds of good stuff. But let's go with dark and intensity for this one. Going to go down a little further. We could put an overlay on this. For example, meteors, lightning, night sky, that type of thing. I'm going to go with lightning because why not? I like lightning. And last but not least, I'm going to select the background music. Now, all of this music is great, but you really kind of want to keep it specific to your genre. So for me, this is kind of a darker video. So I am going to go with something like, let's go with Sorrowful Melody. Okay, that's pretty dark. Let's go with that. Again, you could pick anyone you want and you can listen to them and try them out. Last but not least, the voiceover. Now, these are all the different AI voices that they've got. Now, for me, I've tried all of them out, most of them out, and I can tell you for females, Kelly Williams is my favorite. But for males, I like to go down here to either Knightley Thompson or Kane Davis. So I'm going to go with Knightley Thompson. We click on that.
Golden rule to memory.
There we go. That's a great one. So I'm going to select him, and then I'm going to X out of that. And then look at this. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that I've got everything selected. I'm going to click on next. No, I'm not, because nothing's selected on this one. Let's click on Sorrowful Melody. There we go. Now I'm going to click out. And now that I've got the music selected, I'm going to click on next, and then watch this. Here it is. It's generating a script for us, and it's generating a video. So it's literally doing all of this without me having to touch any buttons. While it loads, you'll notice here that I can have the caption style at the bottom or the center. We can change the fonts of it, and we can even change the coloring if we so wish. So just those things to keep in mind. Here's what we're getting. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got. All right, welcome back here. So here's what we got so far. So you'll see here that it's given us a caption style, which we talked about in the previous bit. But under that, you're going to see script review. So it's actually got its script that it's going to say given to us. So we can go ahead and read it. Immerse yourself in into the world of Rome's most infamous emperor, Commodus. Let's explore 5 incredible facts about him that will blow your mind. All right. Fact number 1, Commodus was not just an emperor, but a gladiator too. Okay, that's interesting, as he was. He frequently competed in gladiatorial games, a practice considered scandalous for an emperor. Also very true, although he did cheat, as far as I know. But there you go, guys. Look at that. These are fantastic facts. Now, if I didn't want a particular fact or a particular piece of information, I can just click on it and change it. So I can just go in here and just take in or take out what I want. But there you go. Now, last but not least, I can go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on next. And now it's going to bake the video for us. When it's done, I'll show you what we got and we'll call it a day. All right, so our video is ready. That took about 60 seconds. Let's see what it sounds like and looks like.
Immerse yourself into the world of Rome's most infamous emperor, Commodus. Let's explore 5 incredible facts about him.
This dude is pretty ripped. Let's go. Let's see what they say about him.
It will blow your mind. Fact number 1. Commodus was not just an emperor, but a gladiator too. He frequently competed in gladiatorial games, a practice considered scandalous for an emperor.
Fair, also accurate.
Fact number 2. Commodus had a peculiar obsession with Hercules and often portrayed himself as the demigod. Can you imagine a leader of today doing the same?
There you go, guys. So that's just an example. This is fantastic. If I want to download it, of course, I just click on download video. It loads up
into the world of
this page here, and then down at the bottom right, there's 3 dots. Click on that, and then just click on download. And you've got a pretty cool YouTube short that didn't take any technical skill whatsoever. Now, you get 2 of these for free at the moment, and then if you decide that you like them, you can go ahead and buy a monthly subscription, which I believe you get 20 more for like $19 or something like that. But here it is, guys. It's worth a try. Let me know what you think in the description or in the comments below. Thanks for watching.